Square Online Store for Beginners: How to Create a Free Online Store Using Squarespace. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create your professional online store using Squarespace. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go to squarespace.com and you will land on this platform right here. Squarespace is world's leading website builder that allows you to create your own portfolios, blogs, and online store. Today, I will show you how you can create your online store. So you can actually sign up for Squarespace with your Google account. It's completely free. Once you sign up, get started right here. Click on get started and it will take you to the template market where we can choose from hundreds to thousands of different templates for our online store. Here you will be able to find all of these amazing customizable templates and we can customize them the way we want to. We can also filter our search from here. So that's what I'm going to do. I will actually filter my search with online store and now I will get all of the templates for different stores that we can create. Again, keep in mind, these are going to be completely editable and customizable and we will be able to customize each and everything. So you just need theme for your website. Now what I'm going to do is I will simply select this one because I will be creating a clothing store. So we can get a preview of the template as well, or we can just click on start with this template. Now Squarespace will just take few seconds to set up your editor for you. So this is our editor right here that we get on Squarespace. You can see this is the preview of the template. It's a pretty template that I have selected, but you can see the main focus is on the products and that's what we want. So in here, you will be able to find all of the main things. The menu, we have pages and I will be able to create pages in my website right here, my store. Then we have design. In design, we can actually go ahead and add different elements. Then we have commerce. Because it's an online store, then we have the commerce option right here. We have marketing, scheduling as well. If your online store involves any kind of appointment booking, then you can use this option. Then we have analytics, profile settings, and help. Let's go to pages first and let's check out the pages we have right here in this template. So we have a shop page, look book, okay, and then we have an about page and contact. So these are the pages I was looking for. But if you want to create a new page, you can simply click on this plus button and it will allow you to create a brand new page. So you can create a blank page or you can create another store page. You can create an event page, portfolio page, or maybe a blog. So for me, I think these 4 pages look pretty good. I will simply select the first page right here, which is shop. And this is the main page for our online store that we are creating. Before we get into the edit option and I show you how you can edit different elements, when it comes to online store, the important thing is how to add a product. So let's go ahead and add products. What you have to do is you will find the option right here which says add product. Click on add product. Now you can select from all of these different types. We have physical, digital download, service, gift card, membership, and scheduling. So I will go with a physical product. All right. So now we have to add the name for our product and it's actually a black hoodie. Then we have to add the image. Simply click on add image right here and select the image from your computer. Once you have added the product name and image, simply click on next. Add the price right here. Then you have to add the quantities, or if you want to go with unlimited quantity right here. So I will simply go ahead and add the quantity that we have for this product. So you can actually order maximum 3. Then simply click on add more details. So in add more details, we can add product description. We can add additional info. We can select the SKU. Then we have the organization option, visibility, marketing, and checkout. You can actually customize your checkout button. We can simply go to custom button right here and it will create a custom button for this product right here. So these are the different, things that you have to check in order to add a product. Simply click on save and your new product will be created. You will actually get all of these different, products here. Now, what you have to do is actually simply go to all of these products and these are not our product. These are with the template. So what you can do is you can simply select a product and you can actually delete from here or you can actually you can change these settings. So I will delete this one. and this product will be deleted from the website because this is not my product and it has been deleted. Similarly, I can delete all of these, but if we want to, change these product details and we just want everything to be this way but just the product details, then we will simply move on to the edit option right here on the website. And now this is where we simply edit out our website on Squarespace. It's similar to how you will create a portfolio on Squarespace or a blog. It's a simple editor. You simply hover over these boxes, and each box will allow you to edit the image, to edit the text, whatever you want to do. You will see right here we get the manage item option. Simply go to manage items and it will again take you to your shop right here, and you will be able to edit the products and add more products. As of this product right here, what I can do is simply click on this edit section option, and now you can edit all of the details from here about this section. To add a new section to your website, what you can do is you will actually find this option right here which says add section. Click on add section, and then we can add headlines, list, gallery, image, quote, text, video, appointments, contacts, forms, social, charts, and more to our websites right here. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and actually add a logo wall. Let's go with a logo wall. And you can see right here we can add our partners, or maybe I can simply go ahead and add a gallery. Simply go to gallery, and then we can actually choose from these different layouts. Let's go with this one. Simply select it and it will be added right here where you selected the option. So now we have this gallery right here. Of course, I will now click on this option right here, edit section or this image option, and I will be able to, of course, change all of the image here. This is good for our store. We simply add our model pictures right here in the gallery. So make sure that you do have a gallery section on your online store. Then we have our footer. In our footer, we can actually add socials. You can see we have only 2 socials. So I will actually click on this plus icon. And now what we can do is we can actually add more of socials right here. And we can also add, you can see we have social links. We just have Instagram and Twitter. So I will simply click on add social link. And all you have to do is just simply add the name, or you can also add the link. It will be added right here. Then similarly, we can move on to our next pages. This is our main shop page. Then we have lookbook, about, contact. Again, you can create as many pages as you like. We have header option as well. In header, you can actually edit the logo and site details. So my site name is Sway Closet, and then we can also add a logo for our website. And then we also get the preview. You can get a laptop preview, a desktop preview for your website. Move on to the next page and then edit them as you edited this one out. Add your products, add pictures, add social, edit the header, footer, and you're good to go. You can simply click on save and your online store will be saved, and then you will be able to publish it. For now, I'm not going to publish this because this is just like a demo website that I'm creating. You can simply go ahead and publish the website, and you can also check it out anytime you want to. We can also add payment details to our website right here. When we go to settings, you will be able to customize your website more, your online store, and you don't have to go to any other platform for marketing and scheduling. We get this on Squarespace. So Squarespace will help you create a professional online store very easily with all the customizable features and tools. So this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to create an online store on Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.